Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany. If you are new, I post everything on my channel, from story times to clean with me's to vlogs to makeup tutorials. But today my house is a fucking mess, and it's just time for a deep ass cleaning. And I really enjoy clean with me's or the speed cleaning videos. I feel like my camera's crooked. I really enjoy those just because I get satisfaction out of other people's houses being cleaner than mine. But I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. So if you guys enjoy these videos, then just keep on watching. I just bought a badass vacuum, which you can probably see the box right there under my staircase. So I'm like super pumped about that, and that's pretty much why I'm doing this video, is because I just want to use my vacuum. No, but anyways, I have a ton of stuff to do. So if you guys like these videos, then just keep watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it, and subscribe, and hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you can get the notifications on when I post. Let's clean this fucking mess.
Playing
took a really big break from cleaning. Come on, kids. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Wow, it's beautiful outside, but it's just really, really windy. I washed my trash can lid. I don't know if that's what you guys saw, and you're probably wondering what that was. But I washed my trash can lid because I am so sketchy about trash cans. It grosses me out. And I always have to have a lid on them, but sometimes when the lid gets really dirty, it really grosses me out. So I'm all out of my fucking Starbucks, and shit, my keys are upstairs. I wanted to do some thrifting because I do that literally every weekend. And I need to go to Ross and get more leggings for work because I'm pretty sure our friend threw up at my house, and I think he threw up on my leggings, and I think Derek threw them away and just didn't tell me because he didn't want me to get mad, which I wouldn't have gotten mad because they're like $4. But I just need some more. So this is the fit. You guys saw me wearing these leggings and just a fucking sweatshirt, and we're gonna go, okay? So making sure I have everything in my purse. We're gonna go to Goodwill, and then we are going to go to Ross. I don't know which order that's going to be yet. I'm like, stop talking. This head cold is really just fucking me over. Oh, and my dogs are staring out the window looking at me. It's so sad. I hate when they do that. Okay, let's do the damn thing. We also have a shit ton of Jeeps at our house right now, because 2 of our really good friends deployed earlier this week, and so we're keeping their Jeeps and just like driving them around, because they have a Jeep like mine. Well, that one that you saw right there, that one's our buddies, one of our buddies, and then the other one is in a storage unit, and we're just like switching them out and just driving them around. So our driveway is fucking packed right now. Why is not the music? Okay, well, I am not going to film me driving because I don't have my camera mount with me, so my camera is gonna fall in like 10 seconds. Okay, bye. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay, anyways, quick makeout session. I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I got. I didn't get that much stuff, honestly. Wasn't really in the mood to shop because it's Beer 30. It's not a sponsorship by Bud Light, but I wish it'd be like my dream sponsor. But quickly, health jokes aside, I am going to show you what I got. So I went to Ross first, and this is the first item that I got. This is a microfiber drying mat. I just thought it was a really cute design, and then Derek and I, oh hi buddy, oh my goodness. Derek and I just used a towel right now, and it's just not really working out. This is what it looks like. It's not that big. It's a little disappointing, but yeah, I just thought it was a really cute teal color. So definitely gonna use that. And then the next thing that I got from Ross was these leggings. So I think I'm wearing the same brand. It might not be the same brand, but I got them from Ross. I'm wearing my fucking camo ones. But I'll show you guys the brand. I think it's called Ready to Go. Yes, Ready to Go. These are, oh, there's no tag on this one. But I got two. They're $5.99, and I got a small in both of these, and these are just the softest, cheapest freaking leggings. And so I got 2 more pairs because I already have 2, but I got a medium without trying it on the last time I got them, and they're way too big on me, and I wear leggings to work like every day. So those are just really, really comfortable. And yeah, this is the same brand. I didn't try this on, but I got a size small in these as well, and they're really cute. They're like capri leggings, but then they have these like cutouts on the side. How the fuck can I show you this? I don't know. They just have this cutout thing on the side. There you go. You can kind of see it. And then they're like capri length. But these were $6.99. That's weird. Less fabric, more expensive. And then I got some treats. I mean, I don't know if you want to get off the couch, Belle, but you can. There's some treats in here. These look good. These are a genuine Serrano from Country Kitchen. Soft chew dog treats, and this is made with Serrano ham and liver. We're gonna put it to the taste test. Oh my goodness, the ingredients are really good. I always find really good treats at Ross for dogs, like chicken meal, Serrano ham, corn, vegetable, pork liver chicken, ground rice, citrus acid, propionic acid, potassium sorbate, and oregano oil. And that's it. Like, usually dog treats are really, really bad at like Walmart and stuff, like those bacon strips and everything. But this was only, I believe it was $4.99. Ooh, girl! Can I have a kiss? Can I have a kiss? Oh, thank you. Oh my goodness. Belle, come here. Sit. Sit. Can I have a kiss? Okay, thank you. Good girl. Wow. I think they like it. Okay, and then the next thing, I went to Goodwill because I love going to Goodwill. I always go there, and I love to buy movies there. We Own the Night. This has Mark Wahlberg in it, and this was $2.99. I haven't seen it yet, I don't think, but I love Mark. And then I got Due Date because this is always a good one. I love this movie. And then I got Disturbia because that is a fucking classic, and I swear I had it, but I guess not. And then I got Traitor. He's a really good actor, so I don't know. I don't know if I've seen it. I feel like I've seen it before, but. And then, so those were all $2.99. And then I got these fucking Puma sliders, and these are brand new. They still have the Puma, like actual Puma tag on it, and it says that they were $32. And I got them for $5.99. But yeah, they're really cute. There we go. Just comfy little Puma sliders. Super happy about these because they're really, really comfortable. But yeah, that is all I got, and I still have a lot more cleaning to do, but I'm just gonna cut this video short because I have a feeling it's gonna get pretty long, especially if you guys have to watch me clean my room. I blame Derek. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video vlog-ish haul clean with me thing we got going here. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I upload, because I don't even know. But yeah, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video. Follow me on all my social media. I'm really active on there, and yeah, I mean, I think that's it, guys. It's awkward. Okay, I have a phone call now, so I will see you guys in the next video. Love you.